It's their anniversary today. Oh, you can't. I'm really arachnophobic, and that thing got closer, and I like. I'm having an anxiety attack trying to kill it.
So on the way here, the girls are like, "Oh, we like to go on adventures. We don't know why you don't take us on more adventures." And then we're in the boat, and there's an arachnid. And then they're like, "Oh my God! Oh, no adventures. This is gross. Oh,
it's literally like this.
I don't know what we're ever gonna do."
It's like this big.
Truth be told, if it was a snake, I'd be in that water so fast. I wouldn't know what to do myself.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Dad killed the spider, and then I got it to get on the oar, and then I drowned him. So he's gone, and this mud is disgusting. Well, it's fine. I don't mind mud. It's just like I'm like sinking.
It's
My
slimy
foot is,
grossness.
I didn't realize it looked like a tree.
Honey, how's your adventure? What? No, it's beautiful out here.
Found a missing cushion.
Somebody threw it on the beach.
It's right there. Coming. We're coming for you, cushion. Cushion rescue. Whoa, we beat it. Ah! Like, does that count as annoying? And then he's like, you may not pee or poop or fart. Or something like that.
What was that?
Burp.
Would be nice and quiet out here in nature, but you two don't know how to stop talking.
I'm quoting movies. Or singing movies. Dying or good pictures? What do we want? It's like one of those scales that you see in like econ textbooks where it has the, you know what I'm talking about, the weights.
I think she's officially lost her mind.
I like Julian.
What'd you say?
I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of ready to get out. I like this flowers on the bench. In case there's not like some nasty, gross water bug disease. What is that? I don't think it's focusing. That's weird.